Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, now we're up to putting the front sprocket on. And before I do that, I got myself another parcel. And this one's from Racing Road in Archerfield, Queensland. And I decided to do another little upgrade. And it doesn't want to come out. Okay, what we have here is a 19 tooth sprocket. So MTX steel. It's OEM replacement front sprocket, case hardened chromoly steel. Direct replacement for OEM. So this is a 10-REB-19. The 19 is the 19 teeth. So the old one was 18 teeth. This sprocket is slightly larger in diameter, so I'll see what happens with the chain, whether I might need to bring the wheel in a little bit as well. Hopefully this will fit, yes. We have that. Now I'm using the same spring washer, or the locking tab washer. I have not been able to get one anywhere, and if I get one from India, it's going to take 6 to 8 weeks, it says. So only one tab was originally bent over on this, so I'm going to reuse this, and while I'm waiting for the new one to come in, so the next time I have to take it off, I'll do it then. Now the setting for this, in the workshop manual it says 80 Newton meters, and in the Haynes workshop manual it says 75. So I think I will go for 80, but now I'm looking at this. What does this go up there? Oh, okay, it does. It goes up to 100 and something. Ugh. So I will adjust this. Okay, so that's 84, 83, 82, 81, 80. And now to lock this down tight, I am going to feed the chain through. I just need to drop the front wheel down.
Watch my stress unload.
Okay, now I'm hoping that if I lock the back wheel down again,
On the tank and the sun's barely through. A merino morning, just the sky and the blue. I found the compression, waiting for the sign.
the chain will be enough to
Needle on the speedo is right.
keep it in place. So this here is again 46mm.
A waking giant at the break of the dawn. It's not a scream, it's a low, steady drum. 500 cc's.
Okay, the back wheel's turning. It did say use the brake.
Down the road, carrying the weight of a rider's load. Through the twisting alley pipe,
What if I sit on it?
leaving the city and the worries behind. Yeah, the world fades out when the engine starts. Just the rhythm of the road and an iron heart.
Okay, that worked.
Through the corkscrew bends, where the great bitumen twists and ascends.
I'm just wondering how much short the chain on. So I think I'm going to need to adjust the cam here, undo this for the camera and bring the wheel forward slightly before I join this back together.
Connection that you only can feel. No room for the
So I think that is,
no fear of the grave. Just the smell of the damp earth and the warmth of the day.
yeah, so it's about half a chain link. I need to bring it in
Peace is a quiet place
before I can do that.
and sleep. But mine's in the torque.
Okay, now I'll work out whether I'm going to do this or whether I'll do that first. You'll find out in the next video.
Chasing the white line and the rail.
Okay, now before I forget, I'll just do these tabs. It says pick the closest one to the flat to bend over, but think I may as well do that other one as well, since it's going to be replaced next time. Okay, I think I will do the back wheel first, just in case I need to do something with this. I don't want to have to, with the chain, I don't want to have to take all this off again, so I'll get some things ready and then bring you back.